Yeah, it does. It sounds like automatic gunfire. Now it sounds like it's coming from farther away. Something's going on. I'm not sure why people aren't running, but there's a security guard. What is he doing? You know, for there being gunfire, sure doesn't seem like people are running. Oh, shit. Seriously, I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, there's a lot of cops out here. Be careful.
Where are the cops at? I'm right here by the porch at Mandalay Bay, and everything just seems to be normal here.
What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, and everything seems normal when it's not. The video cameras around the Vegas.
Yeah, we're just all sitting. We're just...
I got details on it. I'm at the airport. I just talked to the Metro Police over here at the airport. They said do not go to Mandalay Bay. There's multiple shots fired and they need lots of medical there. Do not go to Mandalay Bay. Stay away from there.
Alright, I'm leaving. This is ridiculous. I don't know why people aren't leaving. This is insane. Everybody's just standing around. It doesn't seem like anybody's moving. It seems like it's coming.
What happened, Mandalay Bay driver? What happened? Full shots fired. They don't even know the details yet. I just talked to Metro over here at the airport. They're
There's
still
just
getting the
people
details,
standing
but
around.
there's multiple injuries.
You guys, there's
and,
a shots fired.
That's all they're telling me. They're not telling me anything other than that. They just said stay away from there. They're shutting the whole place down.
Alright, this is crazy. I don't know. It seems like it's coming from up there. Oh shit, Alright, I'm out of here.
So just stay away from there.
might be under control right now.
All right, all the all the taxi drivers are gone now. Jeez. Yeah, yep, there's...
The Tropicana. Could you guys clear that up and let us know where it's happening at?
All right, well, I was in the Mandalay Bay, and oh my God, now there's cops everywhere. It seems like it's coming from, like, the 10th floor of Mandalay Bay. I don't know. God, this is insane.
The radio guys, one by one. Jesus, man, step over it. Mandalay Bay, and if that's the case, I wouldn't go anywhere near Trop on the Boulevard or anywhere like that. Because you got a clear line of sight, so I wouldn't go anywhere near there.
Yeah, this is weird. Yeah, there you got cops right there. Good Lord. Okay, it says shooting at... Yeah, now there's people running. Shooting at the festival across from the Mandalay Bay. Please try to stay away. Alright, so now you got people running. You got people climbing over the fence there.
Peter said it was across the street at the festival by Mandalay Bay where they have that festival going on. So that could be one of them.
Yeah, you got people climbing over the fence here at the festival and people running around. Now there's people running. I guess it was at the festival then, but it sounded like it was at Mandalay Bay. Yeah, you...
Broken leg.
All right. Okay. Okay.
Broken leg.
Broken leg.
Yeah.
Okay. What happened? Okay.
Anywhere.
Is there somebody out there?
Head down.
Yes, after
Head down. You know what's happening.
All right.
Look over your head.
Go. Okay. All right. All right. Oh God, there is an active shooter. Okay.
So many people are dead.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding. Go.
All right. All right. No. All right. No.
That's too many, bro.
Okay.
Front.
Okay. Close the door. Close the door.
I'm trying to.
Go. Okay.
Lock the door.
Guys, please.
Close the door. Is everybody in?
Yes.
Everyone's in.
Oh my God. Okay. All right. All right. I'm going. Okay. Oh shit.
Can you drive as fast as you can?
Yeah. Where are we going?
Are you fucking videotaping this shit?
Yeah, I am. I didn't know that it was so bad. Okay.
There's thousands of people dead. Please just go.
Okay, I'm going.
Everybody's dead. Come on. Luxor.
Why is she fucking...
Go, please. Go.
I can't. There's a bunch of people. All right, here we go. Yes.
Can you please drive lights?
It's somebody's.
Your life's there. We're talking.
Who is
right.
it? Don't get off me.
Talking right, brother.
Go.
Right.
No, shut the lights off. Shut the lights off. We're tagging.
I got it. Put your arm down.
All right.
Take us to the Luxor.
No, I'm not going anywhere to the Luxor.
Take
Get
us
the fuck
far
out of
away.
Vegas.
Oh my
He's
God.
driving out of town.
Seriously, thousands of people are dead. Everybody's bloody.
You're kidding.
No.
No joke. Just drive. Just
I'm driving. There's
There's
people in the
back
street.
here.
All right.
My husband's hand. I'll hold your hand so it's okay.
All right.
Are you okay?
Get out of the
Are
way.
you shot? Broken now.
Good Lord.
No,
Okay.
all over so many fucking.
Oh, no shit.
I fucking
Go, sir. Drive
All right. I'm going. All right. Yeah. This is a really serious situation. I've got a bunch of people in my cab from that festival,
Everybody shot.
and there's a bunch,
Thousands.
thousands shot. All right. Okay. I'm going. We're going.
As far as
We're
you
getting
can.
out of here. Yeah.
Let him get us very, very far away from the
I'm a girl, by the way. So.
that have been lost
Sorry,
in their
we're in.
community.
No, that's okay. It's okay.
It's
cool.
a bloodbath. Everybody's bloody.
It's a
Are you
bloodbath. I've never
kidding
seen
me?
anything
Oh
fucking
my
big.
There's gonna
God.
be hundreds and hundreds of people dead.
Oh my God.
Jackie, my
Okay.
parents are probably freaking the fuck out.
I'm freaking the fuck out, honey. I've never prayed so hard in my life.
I'm sorry.
All right.
I've never seen so many fucking dead people on the ground.
You gotta be kidding me.
No, everybody's dead. There's dead people everywhere.
Oh
There's dead
my
people fucking
God.
everywhere.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I wanna see if Sean's okay, Jax. He
I
was
know.
running. Jax,
I know, 'cause I'm texting.
turn the fucking lights off.
Somebody's got the door open. Somebody's door is
Look
open.
at my phone's all bloody. Just for people. I'm covered in blood.
Oh my God.
Paul
Okay.
Walker?
We're out of here, man.
All right. Where are you guys staying?
I don't
Just any hotel.
Any hotel.
Okay. I'm going.
You want to go to a hotel?
Any hotel.
You want to go to a hotel?
Yeah.
I'm just. Yeah.
Anywhere. It doesn't matter. Just not here.
You're not. You're serious.
We're 100. We would not be lying. You didn't
Yeah.
know.
All right. All right.
Fucking high?
People dead.
Quick,
People
videotape
are dead everywhere.
Are you
Oh my
okay?
God.
Dead
Why are
everywhere.
you videotaping
Jillian, where are you?
Right.
People are murdered.
Fuck.
Yes, me and Justin are together. We're okay. We're in a cab.
1,000 shots.
Oh my
They
God.
are. It was definitely.
Okay, I'm going
Yeah,
this way.
we're telling her to take as far as we can away.
Get us
Okay.
out of here.
Are they okay?
Oh yeah, they're both okay.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh.
Come on, baby.
Okay, bye.
I know they're breathing.
Call mom?
We're okay, guys.
All right.
I'm sorry, just keep breathing. Keep breathing.
Roll your window down.
You want to go to the hospital, or is somebody?
None of us I don't
Somebody's.
think we're shot, but just take
Well,
us.
somebody's. Yeah. Okay.
We went on the back and looked at the
Yeah.
I'm having a
Mom?
Baby, where you from, baby? You're California,
Talk
baby.
to me, girl. What's your name?
Stop there.
Mom,
They better come up with that. I can send you everybody's.
I'm sorry whoever's foot I'm on.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is not good.
No, it's really bad.
You know, I was over at the Mandalay Bay, and was it an automatic rifle or what?
Automatic.
Oh shit.
Call dad.
All right, I'm gonna.
I'm sorry.
I got it. I got it.
Mom? Hey, Mom, there was a mass shooting at this event that we're at, but Justin and I are okay. What? Mom, I can't. I'm in a taxi. I'm covered in blood. I'm okay, but there was a mass shooting at this event that we were at. Justin and I are okay.
Yeah.
Please go to New York City. I got family.
Mom?
Please.
Are you okay?
All right. Okay, let's stay calm. I'm gonna take you down to the Vons down
Go on
here.
something, so we're having her just take us as far as we can away.
I saved my life, brother.
So scared.
There's
a mass shooting. There were dead bodies everywhere. Dead bodies
So
everywhere.
we're okay though, Linda.
We're okay. I'm okay.
We're okay.
We didn't. Neither of us got
Okay, we're
shot.
not going to New York. I'm taking you down here. Okay.
Everywhere. There's so many people got killed. Like hundreds.
And it's really bad. Everyone's okay.
We're in a cab. They finally told us just to run, so Justin and I just ran as fast as we can, and we just were like stumbling over like dead bodies everywhere.
I don't want to touch that right now. I don't want to touch that right now, Mom. I just want to let you know that everything's okay. We're out of here.
Save your life when you got out of there.
I honestly
Okay, but
work with police.
she's taking us to a hotel.
Well, no, I'm just taking you down
She's
to
just
the
taking us
grocery,
somewhere in
to the
Vegas. I don't know.
shopping center down
shopping
here.
center or
Because
something.
we're going away from the
We're
strip.
just trying to go away from the
I
strip.
did it, and I was with a bunch of cops too. It's like fucking.
Justin and I are okay, and so are Sean and Jaylene. They're in a different taxi, but
And I was like, I don't feel like I can run. You're good.
I don't know how I survived.
You okay?
You're good. What's your guys' names? Oh my god, you have blood on your shirt. Yeah.
Good.
Okay, I'm okay. I'm okay. Okay.
Can you start speaking? You guys are okay.
Yes, I'm sorry.
What's your name?
I'm Justin.
Justin? What's your name?
Jackie,
Jackie and Justin. Where are you guys from?
California.
Where's Discovery Bay?
It's in Northern.
Does anybody want to know my name?
I would. I'm sorry.
I'm a girl, for God's
I'm
sakes.
sorry for.
That's
getting
okay.
and screaming at you, but
No, it's okay. I didn't know what the fuck was going
We
on.
have bullets above our heads.
no, there was an AR and probably 1,000 shots.
What's an AR?
Automatic rifle.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys out
Do you know a
here.
safe spot in Vegas?
This is safe right here.
I've never.
Does anybody want to?
Should we just go into the dump?
Yeah,
We'll go
yeah.
into the bonds. Let's go into the bonds.
Get out of here. I know.
Okay, I'm gonna
Drop us off at the front.
I don't want to go anywhere public. I just want to go into a room and close myself in a room.
Okay, well,
I
I'm
don't want to go to
gonna.
the bars. I want to go to a.
Well, I don't
go to a
know.
random hotel.
Police said we go to New York, New York.
No, I didn't.
No, that's way. I'm not going back to that
Is there
area.
like a nice hotel around here?
Public
Please,
area.
New York,
really.
please. I'll give you
Stop
$100.
talking. Stop talking.
Wait, what? $100? What?
I have kids.
what?
$100 to New York, New York, please. I have kids.
New York. You can't. You won't be able to get to New
Let's go
York,
lock
New
ourselves in
York.
the bathroom.
Stop, please talking. Let me
Okay.
talk for a second.
Okay, yes.
850 East Desert Inn Road. Is that okay?
Yes.
Stay away from Mandalay Bay.
What is that?
Everybody go.
Yeah. Is somebody? Yeah, somebody's got money, right?
Okay, we're good right here. Just
We have money.
Okay, that's fine. I'm not. No, I'm not serious. I'm not serious.
I'm getting out. We're getting out. Get out. Okay, please, can we get out, please?
Yeah, go ahead.
Get out.
All right.
Let's go. Come on.
Oh yeah, sure.
I can't see.
No, I don't think it's a joke anymore. I'm just.
What's happening?
Have you lost your shit?
Me?
There's a lot of people fucking dead.
I didn't see him. Okay. I believe you. I believe you.
How much did you take me to my Airbnb?
I'll take you. I don't know. It's $11 right
It's not
now.
my.
That's. I don't. Yeah, just. Okay. Get in. I'll take you wherever you want to go.
Get in my Airbnb's up the street.
Did you have to apologize?